What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Hadin shisngi batwet ya ki suba pyniap ya khynnah rit Meghalaya snem karta hakathan ribhoi ki pulit kila Iohkem no ya we urunar. Uni urunar ude ukasi ubala arpu snem karta bat ula plah hakmat ki pulit ba ula pyniap ya ini khynnah. Halor kani ki pulit kila pendap ya kajing to oket kat kum kajing don kam jongkaan. La ban pen kan mau ba ini khynnah ila jak klub haga khendai trik risau na du kapor kumba kat we bajemen stem hadin ba ila one pai na school. Hadin kani ki bah yeng kila pelong kajing wat haringkat ki parash nong bat kila lapan ban ya kamet yap jong i haga por kumba nyau arpo menmiet na klaus nong. Na kaliang ki pulit kila 1 point mardor siya kaniga jaka bat lum ya kisaki satar na kabentaban pelong ya kajing tokin. Katkum kidak kishin ki bapaw la ong baka kaniga khynnah ila syak pyniap dusman.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.